And you in these rooms, everybody in this room trying to do the same thing that you're trying to do.
Yep.
Everybody in that room have the same goals, same ambitions. I am Morris Smith. Please come out and join us Saturday, October the 3rd in Montgomery, Alabama at the Embassy Suites and Hotel. This is my first networking conference. If you don't want to miss this event, you can register at beyondtheclippers.com. Click the events link. I have some great professionals on the panel. This event will last from 10 to 2. So when would you say you made your first million? Because I know you've been doing it for a long time.
About 21. By the time I was 26, I was worth about $13 million. Hey, I'm Ramon Tooks, and I'm so excited to be the keynote speaker for Morris Smith's Beyond the Clipper, all about properties, real estate, and networking conference on October the 3rd in Montgomery, Alabama. You really do not want to miss this conference. We're going to talk about wholesaling, financial literacy, and much, much more. Register today at beyondtheclippers.com and join us on October 3rd in Montgomery, Alabama.